We carry different smartphones and tablets each day. That increases the need for power banks and battery packs to juice up these devices. It's me again, Matt, or Tech On Site at tipidpc.com, and welcome to the unboxing of Mipow Powertube. So this is the unboxing of Mipow Powertube. I'll make some quick reviews as well for this video. And this is the box of the Mipow. It's a 5500 MAH capacity, and as you can see, this is actually made for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. So, but although it's specifically made for Apple products, but any smartphones and other devices would be compatible also on this Powertube. And alright, this is the box, and the one that I got is a vibrant blue color, and this includes 10 other extra charging cables. It has different cables, and we'll see it in a while. So let's try to go to the unboxing part. Okay. Right, so this is the item itself. Okay. So in here on the side, it has an included Mipow pouch. There you go. So you could place the Mipow Powertube in here for its safety and make it organized. Okay, let's set it aside. You have some cables here for the iPad. This is the charging cable. So you put it on the Mipow and on the USB port, like PC, or if you have a USB charger. And these are the different cables. Now, the good thing about this Mipow Powertube, it has different cable adapters that would suit your needs. So as we have different devices, we have smartphones, we have tablets, we have some PSP consoles. So these adapters would fit into those devices. So this one, this is the for LG. This one is for Samsung. And this one is for Motorola. This one is for I think this one is for PSP. Yeah, this one is for PSP, for portable PlayStation, and etc. Alright, so let's go to the item itself. It's a blue color, this one, and if you press and hold this, you get a LED torch. Yeah, so that one, it's a torch, so that's handy. There's a lot of use for it, It could serve as a flashlight as well. Just press and hold it again, and in here, this one, this is the indicator if it's functioning, and if it's charging, and if it's fully recharged. So it has a it has a 3.5 connector here, so you could charge it. And in here, this is the USB port. If you're going to if you're going to charge it, just put it in here and put it into the USB connector. And if you need to connect your devices, you just have to connect, say if you're going to charge something, came with another cable, and just connect it to the micro USB port of your smartphone, like Galaxy Note 2 or Galaxy Note 3, etc. Alright, so the pros for this Mipow 5500 MaH power tube is it's nice and handy. It has a vibrant color, and it is not heavy. It's very stylish, and it came with a Mipow pouch for its safety. And the only it also came with different cable adapters, so that would make it compatible to most of your devices that you have. And it came with different cables. Now for the pros, the cons for this power tube is it's quite expensive compared to other power banks like Mipow. This is expensive compared to other products which is a higher MAH like Mipow. And this unit that I got here is this is the older one, because it doesn't have the connector for the newer connector for the iPad and iPhone. But overall, it's a nice looking power bank. It's 5500 MAH, and it has a LED torch, and came with different cable adapters that will make it compatible for most of your devices. So that's it for the unboxing and quick review of the Mipow Powertube 5500 MAH. It's me again, Matt, or Tech On Site of tipidpc.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you could get updates on videos I'm regularly uploading every week. And see ya in my next video. Thanks. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again, Matt, or Tech On Site. I'm an online seller of computer parts and accessories at www.tipidpc.com. You can look for my items by searching my username, Tech On Site, and this is my YouTube channel. I do unboxing videos and tech reviews, so don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so you could get updates on videos I'm regularly uploading every week. See ya!